Hello and welcome to Study MBA India. Once again, I'm came back with the CAT 19 quant questions. So now let us discuss these questions. So this says that Amla, Beena and Gauri invest money in the ratio of 3-4-5 in fixed deposits having respective annual interest rate in the ratio of 6:5:4. What is the total interest income after a year if Bina's interest income exceeds Amla by 250? So it is mentioned that Amla, Bina and Gauri, they invested money in the ratio of 3:4:5. So let us say that Amla invested 3x, then we can say that Bina have invested 4x and Gauri have invested 5x. Now the annual interest rate is given 6:5:4. So let us say that A's rate of interest is 6y. In that case, B's rate of interest will be 5y and C's rate of interest will be 4y. So now let's find out. This is the rate of interest. Now let us find out the interest income. That means what? A's simple interest. 1 year will be basically, if you find out simple interest or compound interest for 1 year, you can use the same simple interest formula until and unless if it is not mentioned that in compound interest it is compounded quarterly or half yearly. Till then you can use simple interest for 1 year and compound interest also for 1 year with the same formula. So now let us find out. Here this is principal, the invested amount, which is 3x, into rate of interest, this is 6y, into time, which is 1 year, divided by 100. So what we can say, this is 18xy by 100. Now similarly we can find out that B's interest will be how much? 4 through 5 is 20. This will be 20xy by 100. And Gauri's, this will be Gauri's. So and Gauri's simple interest will be how much? This is 4 5s again 20 xy by 100. So as we can see that Bina's and Gauri's interest are same, but Amla is different. So it says that Bina interest income exceed Amla by 250. So now the Bimla's interest minus Amla's interest, this is given how much? 250. And it says that the Amla's is 18xy and this is 20. So what we can say is 20xy by 100 minus 18xy by 100 is equals to 250. So that will give us 2xy by 100 is equals to 250. Now if we take 2 that side, we'll get xy by 100 is equals to 125. Now question is, what is the total interest income? So total interest income is basically the sum of the interest of A, B and G, that is 18xy plus 20xy plus 20xy divided by 100, or we can say 20 plus 20 is 40. So this is 58xy by 100, and we'll put xy by 100 equals to 1 to 5. So this is 58 into 125, and that will give us 7250, right? So our answer will be 7250. I hope this will be clear, but we can solve these questions in much easier way. How we can solve? See, it is mentioned here, directly you can do that 6 into 3 is 18, 5 into 4 is 20. This is 4 into 5. Ultimately we are doing the same thing, right? So this is 5 4 is 20 and this is 6 3 is 18. So what we can say, that 20 minus 18, which is 2, that is the difference, and that is given how much? 250. So if 2 is equals to 250, in that case 1 will be equal to 125 if you divide by 2 both sides. And the total interest income, so as we know, this is 5 4 is 20, this is also 20, 40, and this is 18. So what we know, that 58 will be equals to how much? 7250. So this is as simple as that, right? So basically we have to do this much calculation only. But to better understanding, I discuss these in details, right? But in examination, if you see these questions, you have to mark your answers. So do this much calculation only. You do not have to write this much. This will take your lot of time, and this will save your lot of time, right? So there is a difference between these two. We are getting answers here also 7250. We are getting answers here also 7250. This is the quite linear way, right? The time taking way, and this is time saving way. So whenever you solving any questions, after solving, just check whether I can reduce my times on solving this type of questions or not, right? That is basically the actual way of preparing for CAT exams or for any competitive exams, right? So I hope this is will be clear. So thank you very much for watching this. Have a nice day.